Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add a countdown timer to our Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and first of all, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story and I'm going to select a photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one and I'm going to add countdown timer to this story. We can click on the sticker icon and then we're going to select the countdown and you can add the countdown name. I'm just going to name it party. Let's say I want to give my followers like reminder for the party and we can set the end date and time right here. I'm going to select October 9. Okay, then we can click on done. And if you want to change the color, you just need to tap on the countdown like this to change the color. And I'm just going to select this black color, click on done. Okay, and this is the result. And once you're ready to share your story, you can click on your story and then the story with countdown timer will be shared to your followers. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add a countdown timer to our Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.